So how do you upload your contacts from iPhone to the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss anything important. So at first, make sure your iPhone and iPad are signed in with the very same Apple account. You can locate it in the settings app. At the top of the list, you have your profile, and also that's the Apple account, Apple ID. So if you're using the very same account, you can tap on it like this, go to iCloud, and from the apps which are allowed to be shared, you will see the ability to enable the contacts right there, right? So you can find it on the list. Ensure it has the green toggle, not only on the iPad, but also on the iPhone as well. So that way you will end up perfectly synced with your contacts. So if you add something new on the iPhone, it will appear on the iPad as well, right? So it just works out very well. You don't really have to worry about anything. Everything is just synced together. The other option is that you might be using different providers, so not just Apple, but you might have Google accounts added to your iPad. So still within these settings, go to the bottom, tap on apps, and from those, select the contacts right here. And as well, go to the accounts at the top, right? So in my case, I have the iCloud account added, but you also need to make sure that perhaps you need to add new ones, right? So you might add the Google account in here or whatever, right? It depends on your situation, but that way you can end up with the very same contacts on all of your devices. So that would work out very well. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.